What's up, guys? Today we're back in Big Scary, and we're gonna be doing some monkey marathon in level 4 with this guy, and also this guy that I just found in a public lobby. Cause yeah. So let's go now. They're waiting for me. I can't stall much longer. I'm being held at gunpoint, please. And also, gamer mode.
My VOs are only 15%, so we're gonna go right really quick.
Bro, this is like terrifying.
Oh my gosh.
I cannot see anything. Light.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go in now. Come on, guys. We're on a journey to be a gamer.
Alright.
Look, what's your thing?
I don't know when we're gonna jump off and die. Oh.
Oh
Look,
no!
Uber is here. It's here. Ben's
Okay.
here.
Oh my gosh, bro. Cannot see a
Wait.
single thing down there, bro.
Promoting vehicles.
I can't even see the. No! We have to go down there with him.
He's about to. I think he's about to shit his pants.
He's dead. I saw his name tag disappear, bro. Let's go over here.
He died. He's dead. We better make a gravestone for him.
Oh, don't you please.
Bro, what if he just like
Oh, he's still down there. I can see him. I can see him.
How is he not
Kick him
dead?
down there.
You've got to go down there.
You go down there first, and then I'll join with you. Yeah, you go down there first.
Oh, yes.
Hey, boy!
Oh my gosh.
I can't see anything.
Oh my God, he's in the floor!
Oh my gosh, I saw it! I saw it! I saw it!
For me, he's in the floor! He's literally...
Ah, I heard
Oh
him!
my God, for me, he's in...
I heard him too.
For me, he's literally on you! He's
Oh.
literally on you for me. Bro, so if you chase me right now, I will die. No!
Where even is the monster?
He's got it. You've not got it. You've not got it. It's him. He's got it.
I heard him! I will save you! Wait, bro, I saw the monster whenever he died.
What can I hear?
Crap. Bro.
Over here.
I can hear him.
No, he's there. He's there. He's on you. He's on. No.
Oh, he's right there. He's like really under the
He's
floor.
on orange right now.
Why? That's it, bro. I'm disabling gamer mode. That is way too
Disable.
dark. I disabled gamer mode. That was way too dark for me, bro.
Yeah,
Should we
let's
go
just
down
save
now?
the gamer mode.
I could not do
Go
that.
down now.
It was
Are
so
you going
dark.
down, yes?
There's my rat. Let's go.
I thought disabled.
Bro.
Bro
Hi.
died.
I know. He literally just like slid off. It was like, wee. And then as soon as he went down there, bro, he freaking died. Whoa, I'm gonna slip.
Guys.
Black, I'm gonna slip. I'm gonna slip. Help. I'm gonna slip. Ah!
Wait, no.
I slipped. I really
What does
slipped.
question mark go to?
Did you slip? Yes, I did slip. I really did slip. I slipped. Ah!
Oh, no.
Where did they come from? I think they're like fully underground, so I can't even see them anymore. Bro, the monster's gonna be like fully underground. I cannot see them at all. This makes it so much worse.
I don't know. I
Where
know.
even is Green? What even happened to Green? Is he still down there?
Should we try and go down the question mark one? You know what that does? Wait.
Oh.
No! You saved my
He
life!
said that, like, his headset was at 15%, so maybe it died. Let's go check the leaderboard. Actually, no, instead of walking up, let's take the quick way up. Down here.
Bye!
Came out of nowhere. Oh. They're definitely dead. Okay. Green's dead. I'ma end the video. Bye.